Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see the airdrop of Altlayer. It is a Binance backed project, so the chances are quite high that whenever the token launches for this particular project, it might be listed on Binance. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so even if you are a completely new person to this airdrop section or airdrop euphoria of cryptos, then that's completely fine. You will be able to understand it and do it, but make sure that you do it step by step. So let's get started with it already. Here you can see that Altlayer recently announced Nitrogen, and it is a public Arbitrum Orbit testnet, and it is using the Celestia's modular DA. And if you have been in crypto for a while now, then you know very well what Arbitrum and Celestia are and how big they are now. So the airdrop of Altlayer can be huge, and all we are going to do is just leave our traces on the Nitrogen's testnet. So whenever the airdrops comes in or the token launches for Nitrogen or Altlayer, they will be able to see our traces on their network, and they will be able to airdrop us their tokens. So for this, I will be providing a link in the description, and it is quite important link because all the information or all the steps that we are going to do today will be shown over here. So make sure that you open up the link and the correct link in order to do these steps correctly. And in case if you want to open this particular link by yourself, then just open up Altlayer's Twitter handle or the X handle and scroll down a little while, and then you will be able to find this particular tweet by them. And just open up this option of document.altlayer.io. You will be able to reach over here then. Now just scroll down, and here you will be able to find the option of rollup info page. Just simply open it up, and this is how it will appear. Now all you have to do is just connect your wallet and set up your wallet. You can use MetaMask, and I'm currently using MetaMask for it. Just simply allow your transactions and connect. After that, it will ask you to switch and approve. So this will basically add the network on its own, and you don't have to fill all these details of network name, but we will be requiring these details in the future. So just approve it for now and then switch the network. And that's how you will be able to create your wallet over here. Now you will be able to find this option of faucet. Just simply open this particular link so we can get some funds on our testnet. So after opening it up, this is how it will appear. Over here, just enter your wallet address, which is our MetaMask wallet address. We will just copy it up, paste your address over here, click on select tokens, and then select tokens over here. Make sure that you select at least the Nitrogen ones, the testnet tokens, and you will be able to select at least 10 tokens over here. So just select 10 of them. After that, just simply click on this option of get tokens and click on continue. It might ask you to create a passkey, and it is just your fingerprint or your laptop's or your device password. So it's quite easy. After that, you can see that our tokens are in transit. When you scroll down, you will be able to find the option of attest and get my tokens. Just simply click on this option of attest, and it will take a little while for attesting, and you would be able to see this option of your tokens is on the way. So just wait for your tokens to be on the way, and as soon as they arrive, we will be able to complete our further steps. Now for the second step, we will go again on this particular document, and here you will be able to find the option of bridge. Just simply open it up, and this is how it will appear. Now all you have to do is just change your network. First change it to Ethereum and click on switch network, and it will change on its own. Now we need to open up the settings of our wallet and click on this option of settings. Here you will be able to find the option of developer mode. Just simply turn on the testnet mode, and you would be requiring some code over here. So for that particular code, we will head back to the document page that I just mentioned in the beginning. All the information about this particular airdrop will be found on this particular airdrop on this particular web page, and I will be providing this link directly on the description. And in case if you want to find it out yourself, then just simply open up the Altlayer's Twitter handle, and you will be able to find in this link in the tweet itself. Now for the code, we will just scroll down, and here you will find this particular code. Just simply hover around your cursor on this particular code and you will be able to find this copy option. Just simply click on it and it will be copied. Now head back to the bridge and paste the code that we just copied and click on this option of add chain. Wait for it to do its work and it will be added. Now just simply get back and click on over here and you will be able to find nitrogen. Just simply switch it over to nitrogen, click on switch network, and this is how it will appear. Now we need to do the bridging, and for that just simply select it, and these funds will be arriving from our faucet that we just used, so you would be able to do it quite fine. You just have to wait for a while. Otherwise, if these funds don't arrive from this particular faucet, then you can also use the faucet on the web itself. You will be able to find a lot of faucets out there. All you have to do is just do the Google search and you will be able to find the websites for adding the funds. These funds are not the actual funds, but these are the testnet funds. Now we can do one more step in order to complete all these tasks, and the last step is to deploy smart contracts, and for that you will have to create your account on Third Web. It is quite easy, and all you have to do is just search for Third Web on Google and then open it up. Just create your account on it, and it is as easy as creating your social media accounts. Just provide the information and after that you will be able to get up on here. Now after that you need to click on this option of contracts on the top. Just click on contracts, then select the option of explore over here and scroll down. After that you will be able to find the option of token. Just select it. Now click on this option of deploy now. Now it will ask you to provide a name. You can name it anything, like you can even give your name to it. So I will just give it the name of Sunny and add the symbol as ETH. Then let all the things be the way they are. And here when you try to search for nitrogen, you won't be able to find it because it is not there. So what we will do is just click on this option of custom network, add custom network basically. And here in the network name, we will type all the information from the document page. So we will be requiring this page again, and we will just copy the network name and paste it on the Third Web. And in the similar way, you just have to copy and paste the chain ID also. And after that, currency symbol is ETH. Then make sure to select the network type as testnet, and for the RPC URL, head back to the document page again, and you will be able to find the RPC URL over here. And just simply copy this URL and paste it over here. After that, click on this option of add network, and it will be added. After that, you can just simply search for nitrogen over here and select it. Then just simply click on this option of deploy now, but it will require some funds in order to deploy. But since we have already requested the funds from the faucet, they will be arriving in our wallet in a while, and after that we can just simply complete this particular step. So these were all the steps required for this particular airdrop, and you can just follow these steps one by one and you would be able to participate in it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you still need any help, you can just simply comment down below. I will be able to help you out. And also, if you want to see more such videos and all the other videos related to how crypto works and the crypto fundamentals, then just simply hit that subscribe button and also make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next video.